Hey everybody, welcome back. So today let's do my Allure beauty box and Boxycharm for May 2019 unboxings. I feel like the Boxycharm was almost all makeup and the Allure one was mostly skincare, so it was kind of a nice balance. But both of the boxes this month were very hit or miss. So let's just get right on into it. I'm gonna do the Allure first. Let's do that one. So the bag that they sent this month is basically unusable. Like, I mean, how are you even supposed to use that? And they didn't even put the stuff in it. They just kind of threw this in there. So that's probably gonna go in the garbage. I wish that they would not even bother to send a bag, but whatever. So let's see, let's do these skincare items. They sent a Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. I do have oily skin, but it is leaning more towards combo lately, so I'm going to use this because I am needing some hydration, so that's pretty good. But this does look like it's only about half full. I hate whenever they do that, but at least I can kind of see if I like it, because I do like the lip mask, and I think I have a little pot of this maybe also, so then that would be, you know, pretty decent size to use and see if I like it. I think that was from like a Sephora Play or something. Next up is the Amore Pacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. That sounds promising. It's a sleeping mask. Let's see what size it is. Oh, ooh, cute packaging. There's the packaging on it. Kind of premium looking. That's really nice, actually. Let's see how much we actually get in here. I mean, that's a decent size, considering that it's kind of basically like a nighttime moisturizer. So I will try that. 2 for 2 so far. And then this stuff. We have the Lou, whatever, by Johnsio. Don't know how to pronounce that. But it is the Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. I don't love a powder cleanser just because it is a pain to use. The top is just completely open, so whenever you have wet hands, you're also trying to like open this up, pour it in there, get more water on there. It just seems like a mess. I'll try it, but if I don't like it after the first time, I'm just going to pass it along. So that's kind of a next up, something that I definitely will not use is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. I just not going to use this. It's just going to be passed along. I don't bother to self-tan because it's just more work than I really feel like doing. And if I do my face, I'm going to have to do my whole body, and then that's just not happening. So don't like that one. Next up is the Laritzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the color Vibe. I'm actually wearing this right now. I think it looks really nice, actually. And in here, it's kind of just a nude, but then there's teeny tiny little micro shimmers in here, like the tiniest. So let's see if we can get this to focus on it. Come on. There we go. So that's what it looks like. It is very comfortable. It's not sticky at all. Back in focus. So I do like it. It feels really nice. I'm definitely going to keep using this one. And then last is the Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's. I've gotten Model Co. stuff in a few different subscription boxes, and I feel like I never really like it. And this one was so disappointing. I was excited about it because I've been wanting to have like a metallic cream eyeshadow. It looks nice. It swatches nicely. Just swatch it right here. So that's what it looks like on the hand, swatched. But on the eye, that is a whole nother whole nother story. I'm gonna insert right here because there was a metallic cream eyeshadow in both boxes. So in this video, you're seeing what both of them look like on my eyes. Both of them were extremely disappointing, but I will label the one that the model coat is on right here so that you can see that one up close. Like what it looks like on my hand and what it looks like on my eye are just two completely different things. It basically shears out into just like a glittery top coat with no like base to it at all. It's completely sheer, just a complete disappointment. I can't even believe that that's what it looks like on the eye. So I don't know, just very disappointing. And also this does not, even whenever I put it on my hand, it doesn't really like dry. It stays almost kind of oily. And whenever you try to pat it out, it just completely shears away. So it would be great if it actually looked like this, but since it doesn't, it's going in the garbage basically because it's not usable. So from the Allure Beauty Box, loved or will at least use 3 of the products, the Lineage, the Amore Pacific, and the Larizzi. Will at least try, but probably won't like one other product, and then 2 products wouldn't use and was complete crap. So very hit or miss. Overall though, I guess 3.5 out of 6 is not terrible, but I mean, not great either. So let's move on to Boxycharm. I was really excited about this box because they had a lot of good stuff in here. But again, hit or miss. So the first thing and the biggest thing is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I think this is a brand new product that they are debuting in Boxycharm. It's a huge cleanser. I'll definitely use it. I feel like Glam Glow products are pretty overhyped for the price. It's not something that I would have bought, but since I got it in this box, I'll use it and see how it is. I mean, it's a cleanser, you know, it's either going to cleanse or it's not. So it'll probably do okay. I'll get my use out of it at least. Next up is this Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I got mine in Fair Light. This is gorgeous, very summery. I feel like these 2 colors are pretty similar. I wish that there was a different color, a different variation. However, this one is a little bit more tangerine, and this one is a little bit more kind of like a rose gold orangey color. So there is a little bit of difference, but today I am wearing this one, Paraiso, on my cheeks. Probably can't even tell that much, but it was a nice color and it is the least shimmery. I think this is either a satin or a matte. It's kind of hard to tell, whereas these other 2 are quite shimmery. But I will definitely use those, and I enjoyed the one that I used today. Next up is a Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. I don't love wooden pencils, number 1. And number 2, you know what, you may not even be able to see this because of the green screen, but I can't picture myself using a like emerald green eyeliner, and I already have kind of like a forest green eyeliner, so I'm just going to pass this along. And then I have the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Pinky Promise, and it's funny, I think by the time this goes up you haven't seen it yet, but I just did the part 2 of my declutter last week, the eyes and lips, and I actually got rid of my 2 Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks because they were getting a little bit older. I do love the formula on these, but oh god, this color is just not something that I can see myself wearing. So rather than like wasting it and opening it up and stuff, I'm just going to pass it on. I know my friend will get some use out of that, but that one, not going to bother with. And then the last item, the most disappointing, the most out of all of this stuff. It is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and mine is in Cupid. Look at how pretty this is. This is what I wanted to use today because I kind of have like a little purple thing going on here. And I wanted to use this all over my lid, and then it was just complete crap. So here's that other one from Model Co. I'm going to swatch this one here. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's like purple, and then it shifts to like a bright, like goldy peach color, and then kind of like a pinky. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I was so excited about this. And let's do it up here too so that you can really see. Look at how intense that is. Amazing. So here's the thing. After that other one, because I just tried it this morning just to see like how it would be before I actually did my makeup, because I didn't want it to be ruined. And then that other one was such crap. I was like, okay, let me make sure that this one is good before I try it, you know, like on my full face. And it did the exact same thing as the Model Co. When you put it on, it looks nothing like this whenever you put it actually on the eye. And then whenever you actually start blending it out with your finger, shears away into nothing. Literally just glitter and like a gold color. You can't even see the purple. Huge disappointment. You're seeing that one right now. I'll make sure to label that. But it just, like, why are both of these just the absolute worst? And the same thing with this one. It dried a little bit better than the Model Co. one, but it still stayed a little bit like kind of oily or something whenever I'm like rubbing it out on my hand. So I don't know what they've done, but that just huge disappointment that both of those did not work out. So from the Boxycharm, I liked only two things. Well, I will keep only two things: the Alamar blush palette and the Glam Glow. The eyeliner and the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick both going to be passed on because I just won't use them. And then this one probably going to go in the garbage also, because I wouldn't even want to send it to my friend and be like, yeah, this is pretty bad, but here you go. Like, I like to send them like things that are at least decent. So that sucks. But there you go. Hopefully, this helped. You enjoyed it, whatever. By the way, my Boxycharm variation was box number 1, in case you were wondering about that. And yeah, there you go. Very hit or miss. I hope that next month is a lot better. Yeah. And you know what? I think I looked up the spoilers for Allure already, and I was kind of like, So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. That may be one that I just don't stay subscribed to. I'm not sure. It's so hit or miss. I'll have to see. Maybe I'll do the thing where you just like subscribe and unsubscribe all the time, and do it that way. I don't know. But if you guys subscribe to these, if you guys subscribe to these, let me know down below if you liked what you got this month, or if your variation was different or whatnot. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.